Now that you have successfully installed your new Leviton Decora Smart with Wi-Fi hardware, we will walk you through setup and usage of the app My Leviton. If at any time you have questions, please email sasupport@leviton.com for assistance or use the in-app support tool. Visit the iTunes or Google Play Store to locate and download the free app My Leviton. There are many Leviton apps. You specifically want My Leviton, the app for your new Wi-Fi devices. Once downloaded, please sign up for an account and input your name, email, and password. Note that your password must have 8 or more characters, upper and lowercase letters, at least one number, and one special character. As well, you cannot repeat 3 or more characters in a row. Leviton truly values your security and privacy, and these requirements help ensure a tight IoT infrastructure. You will receive an email verification of the new account as a security measure. Open the email and click the Verify Your Email button. A confirmation notice will thank you for registering. Go back to the My Leviton app and input your new username and password before pressing Sign In. The first step of your new smart home is to set up the resident's name. To adjust the default name, tap the text box and input your new information. Then hit Continue. In order to enact proper sunset and sunrise schedules based upon the home's location, you need to enable location-based features. You can get my location to automatically determine based upon GPS, or type in the address specifically using Enter the Address. We will use Enter the Address to be precise. Once you have entered the address, press Finish. Press Add a device to set up your first smart dimmer, light switch, or plug-in device. Before beginning this process, you will be prompted to ensure your devices are installed, that you have internet access, and are using the proper encryption, if any. Step 1 is to confirm that the dimmer, switch, or plug-in is ready to join the Wi-Fi network. If the LED on your Leviton device is quickly flashing green, it is ready to enroll, and you can hit Continue to advance to Step 2. If the device is not already flashing green, we can quickly reset it. To reset an in-wall switch or dimmer, press and hold the top of the paddle for 14 seconds until the LED flashes orange and red, and quickly flashes green. Now that the app knows which device we would like to connect first, we can open the phone's Wi-Fi settings and select said Leviton device from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. This will establish a temporary communication network with the device. Once you have selected the Leviton device, return to the My Leviton app and continue setup. You can hit Continue and Continue. Next, select the home's Wi-Fi network you'd like to connect to. Then, hit Continue in the top right corner. Enter the password if applicable. Please remember that passwords are case sensitive. Use the eyeball icon to show the password so that you can visually confirm proper entry. Then, hit Continue in the top right corner. Your network information is transferring right now. Your Leviton device is connecting to the Wi-Fi network and communicating with the Leviton cloud. If you have any troubles with this step, please ensure that your password is absolutely correct or email sasupport@leviton.com. Finally, we name the device. Be specific here: wall sconces, porch light, etc. Then, hit Continue in the top right corner. Press Finish. You now have set up your first Wi-Fi device and can repeat steps for additional dimmers, switches, plug-in dimmers, and plug-in outlets. Now you're ready to create schedules, activities, and more. We will conduct this exercise in the next video. If you have any questions, please visit leviton.com/Decora Smart or email sasupport@leviton.com.